This tutorial will guide you through the process of switching accounts on Roblox Mobile. Whether you have multiple accounts for different purposes or want to manage your friends and games more effectively, knowing how to switch accounts seamlessly can enhance your gaming experience. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, tap on it to open the Roblox app. Just wait for a few seconds to load the app. Now that we are in the Roblox app, tap on the More tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen with an icon of a circle with 3 horizontal dots inside. While we are in the More tab, scroll down until you find the Switch Account button. After you locate the Switch button, tap on the Switch button so that we can proceed. As you can see, the Switch Account menu appears at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, my account appears, which is already logged in. There is also an option where it says Add Account. Just tap the Add Account button so that you can switch your account. Switching accounts on Roblox Mobile is a straightforward process that involves logging out and signing into a different account. With this guide, you can easily manage multiple accounts, enhancing your overall gaming experience. For more tips and tricks, consider exploring community forums or joining Roblox group for support. Happy gaming!